Hello and welcome to an exciting tutorial. It's me, Sansar Tripathi. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a bullet scene in Maya and render using V-Ray. So let's get started. Here I'm in Maya. Let's go to front view and create our bullet. For that, go to create Bezier curve tool. If you don't have if you're using older versions of Maya, then you may not have Bezier curve tool. I'm using Maya 2012. I think it's in 11 as well, but it's not in Maya 2010. So don't be worried, you can use CV or EP curve tool, whatever you feel easy with. So for now I'm going to use Bezier curve tool and going to give a shape for our bullet. So click here like this. Down, chat, press shift key and do that. So when you are done, press the W key. It's quite good, but let us make some adjustment. Select all these parts, move it aside. This one a little bit like this. Press the R key to do the selection. Scale tool. Move it a little bit inward. I think it's alright. Now with this selected, go to surface and revolve. So here we are. Go to channel box, revolve, and you see pivot X, it's 0, so it's alright. So let us go to perspective and press 5 to look at the settings. It's alright, you got this black spots like this, but we're going to convert it to polygons, so don't be worried. But before that, select these two, go to edit, delete all by type, history, and then select the bullet, press shift, select both, and then you'll select the curve, then press delete key. Now select your bullet, go to modify, convert NURBS to polygon, to the option. Be sure to put it in control points and apply. Close it, just move it aside, select this, delete it, and now select the bullet, press the 3 key, so you get exact it's a little bit different, so you can just make some adjustments. Since this tutorial is going to teach you more on V-Ray, so I'll not go in detail for the modeling part, so I'll just do the basic modeling techniques, just teach you how to, just give you a few ideas on how to model it. You can go ahead, sorry, let me undo it. Okay, I have some problem over here. Just make a few adjustments. Go to aces, double click it, outside one as well, this one, go to scale it, just scale it and push it a little bit up, select this, push it a little bit up. I need to scale, I think I need to scale this a little more. Sorry, these are not being selected. R, scale it a little bit down. So here we go. Our bullet is almost ready. Just make a few adjustments. I think it's alright. So just go ahead and take some reference of bullets and do a few modeling. Let me make a little bit adjustment over here. W, move it downward. It's alright. Okay, no problem for that. Just try to model it as best as you can. For now, let it be like this. Just let me extrude a little bit down part, so we're going to put the silver part over there. Oh, sorry. Okay, now let me go to polygon, edit mesh, and extrude it. Oh, select that. Sorry, I think I should do this way. So it's alright. Press the G key to do the extrusion again. This one a little bit more, and press it inward. Okay, press G once again and then press it inward, so it'll make you go inside. Okay, now let's go ahead for modeling, rendering part. Select the bullet, move it up just in this line. Okay, it's alright. And then just load your V-Ray plugin. If not, for that go to Window, Setting and Preferences, Plugin Manager, and down there you'll see V-Ray for Maya. Just load auto load, and then go to Create V-Ray, create V-Ray plane. So it will create a plane. Select the plane, go to Attribute Editor, Initial Setting Group, Lambert, and choose the color to white. It's alright. So now it's time for us to create our material for bullet. So for that, go to Window, Rendering Editors, Hypershade. Here we are in Hypershade. Let me move them a little bit side. So now we're going to create a V-Ray material. Here it is. Just select your bullet and assign a material to it. Now let us double click this material and adjust a few settings over here. For the diffuse color, put the color you want to put for your bullet. For golden color, just go ahead with this kind of color. I think it will give it good. If not, then you can come back again and change it whenever you like. Just let us rename this material bullet gold. And for the reflection, go to Font, and for the reflection color, let me just go to kind of grays. Just check reflect on backside. That's it for, I think that will do for our material. Let's go ahead and do a quick test render. So be sure to change your rendering engine to V-Ray and do again, render it out again. Sorry, I forgot to smooth our bullet, so let us do that. Press 1 key, go to mesh, smooth, once again mesh smooth, so that'll give you smoother looking bullet, and go ahead and see our render. So here it is. It's alright. We don't have any reflection now, so we're going to create that. Just go to rendering settings, and in V-Ray, V-Ray command tab, let me put this to 320 by 240, but you can just put to 640 by 480, and for the output you can also select to higher resolutions, but for now, just for preview purpose, I'm going to do a small one. Let's go to V-Ray tab, global option, it's global mask, check on global max depth, and then image sampler to adaptive DMC, lock threshold to DMC sampler threshold, and for the most important part, we are in the environment, so this is where we are going to create our reflection. So just check and override environment, and then for G-Ray texture, go to full white, and then for the reflection texture, we are going to use an HDRI map. So click on the checker box, go to File, load a file from your attribute editor, and I'm going to use Studio Setup 002 HDRI maps, so you don't need to worry to get this HDRI map. You can use any reflection HDRI maps you have, or even any room HDRI maps or anything else. So for now I'm going to use this. Open it, so it's on there. Then go to indirect illumination tab, and then GI on, reflective caustics on, and ambient occlusion on. So for this scene, pretty much the default settings will do good. If not, you can just go ahead and play around with some settings. If you want to know full detail about all these settings, then you can go ahead and look out for basic tutorials for V-Ray. I don't have much time, so I can't explain all those. I'm sorry, but I will try to do some tutorials on explaining all these settings as well. So go to render elements, add our reflection and refraction, and let's go ahead and do one quick preview. It's pretty slow because of the reflection. So you see there are some reflections in our bullet. So you see the part over here is black, so for that you can change your angle. So alright, go ahead and do another render. No need to be worried for that. You can later on go to Photoshop and just paint that part. So you have already started seeing the reflection over here. So now it's time for us to create the silver looking texture for this below part. I think there are lots of faces going on over here, so I'll just give a quick overview for that. Let me go to Edge. I'll just do silver to these parts. Select this, shift and then control to faces, control edge ring utility to edge ring. So you select round and then again control click, it's right click to faces. So here we go. And for this, just let me add a Fong material, and then go to the Fong option and change the color to kind of a whitish, so it's alright. Now go to object mode and just duplicate our bullet for several different parts, like you see in this, some tilted down, some overlap, some stand up, so you can do like that. Let me do a few. Control D to duplicate it, E to rotate it. Go ahead and front view and make few adjustments. Go ahead and duplicate this as well. E, just rotate this in this way. Go ahead, manage it a little bit downwards. So in this way you can do many as you like, and go ahead and do render. So here we are almost getting the final result. So here it is, and for the black part you can just crop it out in Photoshop or just paint that part. And let me show you one thing else. If you see in this image, you see this last part are quite blurred. So when you put bullet, just moreover to this point, just in Photoshop what you do is take the blur tool and just blur out those parts, so it will give good depth. So I think this tutorial was helpful for you. So I'm Sansar Tripathi, and just look forward for my more tutorials. I'll do it in future. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Okay, thank you for now. Bye bye.